In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM for a small business. Whether you're new to CRM systems or just making a switch, getting started with HubSpot is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your business operation. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a free HubSpot account. Just head to HubSpot's website and click on the Sign Up option. It's a quick process where they'll ask for some basic information like your name, email, and company details. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have your very own HubSpot account ready to use. Now that you have your account, it's time to get your team involved. Inviting your team members to collaborate on the CRM is crucial. HubSpot allows you to invite colleagues and assign them different access levels under the Settings option. Depending on their role in your business, you can customize their access to ensure they have the necessary information and tools, all while maintaining control over sensitive data. Next, gather your existing customer and prospect data in a spreadsheet format, preferably in a CSV file. Importing this data into HubSpot is a breeze. Simply navigate to the Contacts section and look for the Import button. Follow the prompts to upload your file, map your columns to the HubSpot fields, and voila! Your data is now integrated into HubSpot, ready for you to analyze and leverage. With your data in place, it's time to configure your sales pipelines. Head over to the sales settings where you can create or modify pipelines to better align with your sales stages. It's best to keep these stages simple at first. This simplicity will make tracking your deals and moving them through the pipeline much easier and clear for everyone on your team. To enhance communication, you'll want to connect your email and calendar to HubSpot. This integration allows you to track emails, schedule meetings efficiently, and ensure that important communications are recorded within the CRM. HubSpot provides step-by-step instructions on how to link your email provider. And once they are linked, you'll have a unified platform for your business communication. Finally, you can automate repetitive tasks using HubSpot's workflow tool. Imagine no more manual follow-up emails or calendar reminders. Setting up automation can save you tons of time and keep your operations running smoothly. Dive into the automation section where you can draft templates and define triggers for these tasks, ensuring that your clients receive timely responses and updates without you lifting a finger. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your HubSpot CRM setup is complete, paving the way for a more organized and efficient business operation. As you continue using HubSpot, you'll discover even more tools and features designed to support and grow your business.